city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine.
Hey y'all, and welcome to today's vlog. It's a day of my life as I'm off on Memorial Day and I have nothing else better to do. So with that being said, I'm gathering up trash right now to go out to the trunk. It's supposed to rain. Yesterday it thundered really bad. I'm gathering up trash, putting it in the trunk because I take it over to work or we take it to Charles's job. So I have 2 big bags I'm putting in there now. I'm also in the process of making some banana pudding. So if you see me in a different vlog with this same shirt on, that's why. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a new trash bag really quickly and then go take this trash out. I don't really, like I said, have nothing planned for today for lunch. I'm gonna make the kids a pizza and myself, and then for dinner we're just doing some simple hot dogs. Alright y'all, so I bought the mats from the car inside, and I bought the seat from her booster inside. The back seat of my car looks ridiculous. I'm gonna have to go out there and wipe it up, or like wipe it out or whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna throw these right into the washer along with her seat cover and give those a good wash. And those will be good to put back out in the car in less than an hour. I'm not gonna dry them. There's no way in the world I'm messing up my dryer for that. But anyways, I already put some OxyClean in there, you know, because it gets out stains, and that's what I need with these mats as well as her stuff. So I'm gonna add some detergent in here. Let both of those go together to clean that stuff. So anyways, I just got done making the banana pudding and taking trash out to the car. What I'm gonna get ready to do is make this concoction to go out here and wipe down my back seat, so that way that it's fully dry, because it's supposed to rain later and I'm not sure if I have to get Chuck, because I told y'all he don't drive the scooter in the rain, and I don't blame him, because it gets messed up then what. So I think I'm gonna use this bucket, and I'm gonna put some, I know I'm gonna put some water down in here, and maybe I'll use just some regular dish soap, because I don't want nothing to mess up my seats. So I'm gonna use hot water, put a little bit of dish soap in there, and roll with that. Now I'm gonna just need to grab me an actual rag. You know what? I got one in the bathroom. This rag right here that clearly wasn't supposed to go in the bathroom, because it's my kitchen rag. So I'm gonna run out there with this little itty bitty amount of water, and I'm gonna make it do what it do. Clean out my seats. Y'all catch me outside. Clean. Alright y'all, I'm back in the house. Oof, I only got hot doing it. Now I just gotta sit around and wait on my mats, the first 2 to finish drying. I'm gonna rinse this out, put this back, and then of course I'm gonna end up having to tackle those dishes. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Alright y'all, now I finally get the chance to sit down. And then pudding's done, car is clean, floor is vacuumed. I'm just waiting on those mats. Now, I did write myself just a little checklist today. I did vacuum the living room, I did clean up my desk. I cleaned the kitchen table. I need to wash the rugs in the bathroom too. And then I just need to put some clothes away. Other than that, I finished up editing a very hard video that I was trying to piece together so that can go out. I'm gonna try to get into Bridgerton today because I tried to get into it before, but I had to stop it because of the scene within the first 20 minutes of the show. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna try to do. Get into this show. Meanwhile, I am editing for a video. I'm telling you, I was just sitting here planning my whole life out for like vacation, and I said to myself, like, today's the day that I have the chance to call. So good thing I called, because like I called with a couple questions. That's me. I'm gonna ask my questions and make sure they answer so that I fully understand. For one, when you go to a hotel, you got to figure out like what's your holding fee, right? She was like, we don't have a holding fee unless you're under 21. Okay, well last year I had a holding fee and I didn't even know it, but you know, thankfully like I had the extra cash flow for that. You know, so that we didn't, you know, go without doing something on our trip last year. So she was like that it's a $25 resort service fee. Cool. I think it's like $5 a day for parking. Cool. That'd be $40 because we're there for like 8 days. But then they also have the nerve in the packet that I got online to show, you know, like this thing where like if you stay there, you get free lunch Sunday through Thursday, Myrtle Beach Grand Prix 2-for-1 tickets, and then free admission to Myrtle Beach water waves, which would have been cool, but none of those things other than the free lunch really caught my eye. Doing the Grand Prix, I'm not into. The Myrtle Beach water waves, I'm not into either. That's almost just like doing the Busch Gardens and Water Country USA and the Kings and Mean type of thing, and that's just not something I want to do. So with that being said, good thing I called, because those things don't apply to us because we didn't book directly through them, so don't even care. All of the other fees are paid for within my package that I did through Monster. But anyways, like I said, just going through this book, trying to figure out like what to take out of here. Like, you know, this year it's gonna be all about trying food. It's all gonna be about just having a good time. So that's what I'm trying to do. And the thing is, like, they sit up here and give you like these different layouts, right, of the rooms, but it's just like, here's one, right? Okay, and then the other one is right here. Y'all are giving me two different room vibes with this. Like, okay, only main thing I really need to know right now is like, do I have a kitchen? Yes. Do I have a balcony? Yes. Is it oceanfront? Yes. Like, these are all things that I'm like is the least of my concern. But anyways, needless to say, I'm going through here and getting it all together because I'm tired of looking at this book. And most of it, honestly, is my food section. Look at that. So I printed off menus of things that are there, just so like I know, is this kid friendly for the kids, but also like, am I gonna eat here? Because I'm the picky one. So I really want to map this out better in this book. Hopefully I can. And then of course in the back is a bunch of coupons. That's also part of the problem. Alright, let's check on these mats and see if they are done. Looks like they are. Amen. Alright, so not really much with this stain right here, but it's alright. I just know that I'm just glad that they're washed, and I can put those back and put my larger ones in next. Alright, now I'm gonna get ready to wash these big boys here. So I'm gonna just put them in around just like this, and then the other one I'm gonna do the same way. Then again, I might fold it, I don't know. Alright y'all, so I'm using up that last little bit of the Oxy Clean down in here. Hopefully that cleans these mats really well. Alright y'all, so I got the big mats in there. Currently at the moment I'm just going to whip up this pizza because clearly it's still 11:34 before you know how much time will be here and I won't have it ready. So you just mix it up with half a cup of like hot tap water. Use a fork. Mix it all up together really good. Then I'm gonna go in with some olive oil and let it sit on here for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then allow the oven to heat up. So it should form into a ball of dough once I get all the dough mixed up. Alright y'all, I am pulling out something to eat for lunch. So I do have this pizza that I got Thursday for free. Red Baron's or cheese. I think the other one is, this one is pepperoni. This is one I got before. Kids don't like pepperoni, so I'm just gonna put it back. And then my other one is sausage and bacon, I think. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be this and whatever else somebody wants. So we put it on 400 because I had started making this pizza. I ain't got no pizza cheese, but the good thing about it is I only really wasted $1 on it because all it asks for is 1 teaspoon of olive oil and then half a cup of water. You know, it didn't call for a bunch of things, so I can get down with that, losing out on that. And I don't want to let it just sit around. So anyways, I'll just wait on that to heat up. Meanwhile, I'm going back to my book and planning. Alright, so a couple hours later, I was able to put my banana pudding into the refrigerator. Give it some time to kind of all mix together. And now I'm ready to eat it. So let's go. Y'all. Okay, so I haven't been doing much, right? Since I last picked up the camera. I literally have washed the dishes, went through my vacation binder, like took all the papers out. I'll sit down this afternoon and redo that. And fix the kids and myself some lunch, so some pizza, and then I just finished Sky's hair. The whole time I was doing Skylar's hair, I ran across a channel that I'm gonna shout out because I don't exactly know. I don't know exactly how many. Let me see. 1.64 subscribers. So I think that she is really good at her lifestyle vlogging channel, and I watched all of her Myrtle Beach vlogs because they were just all in a row, and I liked that. So I liked to see everything that she did. I like how she broke it up and put it into different vlogs. So the Merle's Inlet, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina travel vlog is what I'm on currently. I think I have like 3 or 4 more before it's time for her to go. So I'm hoping to change up my content because no, I don't want to be like other people. I want to be myself. But Lex Go Every Day, like her beach vlogs, travel vlogs, just inspired me to like include certain things, like outfit of the day. Not include everything, but still have a good time, if you get what I'm saying. And not and to not be afraid to vlog out in public. Like I am still a little bit here and there when it's on me, right? But when it's on everyone else, I think I'm straight. Anyways, I'm gonna put my binder back together. I just got the kids both in the shower, and I need to do Cam's hair still. Bummer. I do want a juice to make the Morning Glory juice. So if you haven't checked out that short, check it out, because it is a really great juice, and I like to have it for the morning during the week, especially when I have my burrito in the morning. So with that being said, Memorial Day is nothing special here. We don't do anything super huge or whatever. So that's that. I so want to go into Wicked Tuna this year.
It smells amazing. So I wonder and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at. A spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at.